Good morning, folks. At your service, Koyong Vlogs. Today, I am here at Carmela Falls. If you want a cold dip, here is the answer. And if you want to know more about these waterfalls, just watch the whole video in my YouTube channel, Koyong Vlogs. Come on, folks. Watch for more. Come, visit, and experience nature. Bye-bye.